You're welcome to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploits. All right, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to grow your channel from 0 subscribers to, let's say, 100. All right, now the first thing you should do as a as a YouTuber, do not see yourself as just a YouTuber. See yourself as though you are building a company. Okay, so that your channel, you can turn it into a company, a place whereby people come, you interact, you familiarize with people, and do a lot of things with people. You can do a lot, you can achieve a lot with it. All right, so when I first started my YouTube channel, it was a challenge. I was like, how do I grow from zero to, how do I even get a subscriber? And then I started like that, and I was encouraging myself. I would post. At times you get discouraged, you don't have anybody to subscribe, but I kept doing the same thing. And what was that thing I was doing? You keep posting, keep on uploading. If you're a content creator, keep uploading videos, especially those things that you know that people are in need of. Keep uploading now, and you need to actually select a niche. For instance, do you want to go into bag making? Is that what you want to be teaching people online? That's what you should be doing. Focus on that, and then keep giving people, give your subscribers, your potential subscribers, what you think will fascinate their minds. All right, so you keep posting, upload as frequent as possible to be able to grow your channel. And another thing is your about your channel, the name of your channel. About, you tell them what your channel is all about. Are you going to be teaching them craft? Whatever you want to be doing, you need to be plain, and then focus on that thing. And then the secret to growing your channel is frequent, like consistent uploading of videos related to your channel. For instance, if you told them in your about page that you want to be teaching them how to make let's say home user items, and you are posting something else about maybe I don't know what example should I cite now. You are talking about fishery. You see that there are two opposite things. So you need to work based on your niche, spell out everything you want to be doing, all right, and then introduce yourself to your potential subscribers. Tell them what you'll be doing, how frequently you will be posting, uploading your videos. For instance, if you will be uploading your videos in every two weeks, tell them, write it there at your in your about page. And also, another thing is title. You need to, for instance, how to make bags. If you want to make like a lunch bag, go to the search button on YouTube, that same page, just search, go to the search page, write, type how to make bags. Then you see different titles. Pick the ones that have that you can see me that you see that have more views, and then it will help you. So pick compelling titles. All right. And another thing is, try to like I said, familiarize yourself with them, fall in love with your subscribers. Anytime they ask you questions, anytime they comment, appreciate them, love the comments, and do so many things. Just interact with them. Don't ignore their messages. Maybe they're asking you a question. Interact, respond to the questions, and then see them as part of you. So that will really help you. All right, and another thing is, whenever you are through with your video, maybe at the beginning of your video, you can tell them to subscribe to your channel, to like your video, because that's the call to action. You call them to action. Do this, please do this to my video, like that. So just make sure you just uh call them to action. They should like, they should share, they should watch it to the end, share it with friends, and so on and so forth. So these are some few tips I felt helped my channel. So try it, and you see that your channel will begin to grow. All right, so thank you.